Can you help me? Hey, Mike.
Okay, back away a little bit. Ginger's trying to put her gun in her holster.
Ginger?
Okay, show us how you... leave your... I'll get this one.
Ginger, can I
Get
hold
away.
your holsters?
No, Isaac, move.
I wish I could. I need to No. Ginger,
Come on. Can you get that in there?
no.
Well, why not?
Can you help me?
Let me see. You mean you can't get that thing in there?
Mike.
Is it almost in? Ginger can get it in there.
Yeah.
There you go. Now turn around. Let me see it from sideways. Ginger's packing now. Did you get your the gun in your holster now? Take it out quick and shoot somebody. Take it out of your holster quick and shoot. Quick, the bad guy's coming. You gotta get it out. Bad guy's coming. Get that gun out of your holster, Ginger. Ginger's a quick draw artist. Hold on, Ginger. Isaac, be quiet.
I'm not a bad guy. I'm not shooting you. I will bang.
Quick, Ginger, get your gun out and shoot the bad guy.
Bang.
Oh, not quick, quick. Okay, put your gun back in your holster. Turn around and let me see you do it. Turn around, let me see you put it in your holster. Sheriff, little sheriff with a big gun is what I call her. Little girl sheriff with a big darn gun.
Yeah, I tricked her. She missed. Ha ha.
Get your gun out and shoot him.
Yeah.
Quick, get your gun out and shoot him.
Play cowboy.
Quick, get your gun out. Gotta shoot that guy. Quick. Hey, Isaac, not so loud, honey.
She's dead.
She hasn't got her gun out yet. Quick, she's almost got it out. Shoot the bad guys. Quick. Isaac, if you yell one more time, honey, I'm gonna turn this recorder off and I'm gonna spank you. Oh, she's got it out. Bad guy's behind me, Ginger. Shoot him, but not me. You gotta shoot Isaac, but not Daddy.
Could shoot me, shoot me, shoot me. Ha ha, she got dad, she got dad.
Wow, signing off.